नहीं करते हैं.
थोड़ा-
I don't do any बकचोदी.
साउंड में बात कर.
नहीं बात करेंगे. क्या कर लेंगे?
I think we were asking you what all Malayalam actors you know in Malayalam.
I said ना सलमान.
Salman Khan.
नहीं.
दुलकर सलमान.
Is he even a Malayali?
Yes, he is
Yeah, yeah,
Malayali.
he's fully Malayali. His dad is.
I know Fahad Fasil.
Yeah.
And that I think his name is Vikram.
Vikrama, he is Malayali, but he's now more
Now-
into Tamil movie.
Mostly doing Tamil movies.
So he's
Prithviraj.
not a Malayali actor.
He is a Malayali.
Have you
He
seen
started
that
in
mo-
Malayalam.
Have you seen that movie Vadakan?
Vadachennai.
Nah,
Madakan.
It's a horror movie.
I don't know.
That actor, I don't remember his name now. Then I know Vijay Sethupathi.
That
Not
Tamil.
Tamil.
You guys still think Kerala is Tamil Nadu? That's the problem.
I don't know he's a Tamil.
It's not a problem. It's just they have more domination than you guys. So,
Yeah.
there is one more thing. You don't have brains.
Who?
You are not
guys.
Karan is
exposed
talking
to.
about
What do you mean by you guys? Please specify.
You guys have don't know brains.
Who's talking about Karan?
Have you ever tried banana chips? I think
No,
everyone
no, I've tried that.
Snacks.
Kerala
Jackfruit.
snacks.
Jackfruit one.
Chakkavarthu.
Whatever. Chakkavartu.
Vada nahi, Chakkavartu.
Chakkavartu.
I have
It's
tried
really
that.
nice. It's really nice.
That thing you get na, round flower like thing during Christmas. That fried snack.
Achappa.
Acha, okay.
I have
okay.
tried that. And
That's really nice.
that banana wala fried banana.
Pazhampuri.
Ah, that's my favorite.
But it's too sweet.
No, I
I
think
think
it is
the
nice.
jackfruit is really nice. I like it. It's too crunch.
Ah, I think that's all. It's nice snacks try किया. उसके अलावा तो कुछ try नहीं.
है क्या इसके अलावा? नहीं.
Do you have anything else other than
You
this?
only have this vada pav. है ना? और
Anything,
कुछ
everything,
है क्या?
vada pav, pav
Guys,
bhaji.
और-
Only
और-
there is
और-
some
It's
pav.
Malayali podcast or whatever.
No, no.
Malayalam podcast. बड़ा पाव के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलने का.
Vada pav is an emotion.
It's an emotion. It's a big
It's a pav. Everything here is pav.
No. We
Pav
have
bhaji,
puri,
vada
puri,
Vada pav.
bhajia.
Bhajia, where is that pav? Something pav.
Pav,
might be
pav.
there, right?
Samosa pav.
No, we have
You know
other snacks also.
what I think is crazy about snacks here? They put everything smashed and put some dahi. Then it's like
Oh, just like paratha. Paratha. Like that.
Ah.
that is one
That-
thing.
but-
They put everything being messy. Then sorry. Edit here. They put everything, and when you take one bite, na, it goes into your stomach, and you're like, oh shit.
Oh, have you seen them eating paratha?
Oh my
It has no paratha and beef. It has so much of masala in it.
Beef curry has roast different.
तो
Right.
फिर ये समोसा का अंदर क्या है?
Samosa, what
मिट्टी
is
डाल
samosa?
के
You
खाता
have
है
one. I think your stomach is like, what the fuck are you doing?
Well, you're fucking with vada pav. It's the emotion. Just be in your chuddies. I'm telling you.
We have eaten it. I'm saying it's tasty, but we eat it continuously for 1 week. I think.
Why? Oh, Kerala snacks you can eat continuously.
Yes.
Yeah, every day.
Huh?
हाँ.
Or every day.
What
palam
snacks?
puri.
Tell me what snacks.
We have.
You can eat it continuously every day. Oh, please. One palam puri has
It's not. I am not saying that every day we can eat it one. Okay.
Look, I love vada and idli. I can eat that.
And I
a
think
lot.
you
That
guys
is not
don't
snacks.
care about the hygiene and all. Like even if it is like roadside vendor who is not doing this no problem.
And so you guys don't
Bye
have
bye
roadside
masala
vendors?
dalu. Szechuan masala dalu.
You guys also have vendors like roadside
He-
vendors.
If someone doesn't do this now, you will say some flavor is missing.
Gee, you cannot know.
Because everywhere you see people are crowding to eat these things like small. Everyone wants. I think because it's cheap and like if you have one vada pav, I think you are done. Khatam. Your hunger will go away.
If you have a real thing for vada pav, you can have at least 5.
I mean, you can have. I'm saying if someone doesn't have money and all, I think they can manage with one
The
vada pav.
whole point of vada
30
pav is
rupees.
it was supposed to be on the go. If people in Mumbai are always on the go, they
Yeah,
want a meal that has
yeah, we have-
everything.
we have to-
Take
What
a
is
vada pav.
everything? Only pav, carbohydrate.
Everything.
In middle also carbohydrate.
I think
Potato.
guys we should talk about something else.
Oh, okay, offended.
Like me, like let's talk about good.
And these guys all the time they eat so much maida. Parota, it is so unhealthy. But
And
I
so
like it.
oily.
We don't have parota every day. We have one parota, two parota, 3 days it will be there.
But you guys eat lots of chicken, mutton.
You were telling us what are the snacks you have. We have no idea what are the snacks you guys are
We
talking
have
about.
Padampuri, we have Bonda, we have
Bonda, പരിപ്പുവട, ഉഴുന്നുവട, സുഖിയൻ,
ഉള്ളിവട, സുഖിയൻ,
uh,
പഴം നിറച്ചത്.
എന്നാ,
One second, guys.
Nama
Give
mata
us translation.
കുമ്പിള്,
They're sounding like a designation.
Kolkata.
Alappuram, Parichana, Ganjana. Sorry.
സഞ്ജന്.
What is it? The fourth one was
Bonda.
No. Fourth word. What was
പഴം നിറച്ചത്.
Parandarachara. Look at the hierarchy. Parandarachara.
पंडित जी का नाम
You are giving Sanjan.
It's not like vada pav.
വടാ
Like-
പാവ്.
It's like
വടാ പാവ്.
no, vada pav.
What is that word? What is that word?
Like,
Huh?
yo,
What is that
I
word?
want this.
Which-
That's snack.
What was the word?
പഴം നിറച്ചത്.
Parandarachana.
പഴം നിറച്ചത്.
Parandarachana.
What is that?
Parandarachana.
So complicated.
Vada pav.
Like vada pav, bro. Vada pav. And she'll be like Parandarachana. She'll be like yeah, whatever.
No, you were.
Take me 3 business days to understand what is that.
that? We are simple. We are classy. We are subtle. We are not like Parandarachana.
Classy.
Classy.
Chapri.
Yeah.
It takes 3 seconds to pronounce his district's name. Oh my god.
We can say things better. We have our language. We can say ra, അമ്പലപ്പുഴ, കരിമീൻ പൊള്ളിച്ചത്. You can say it.
Kalami Munachara.
കരിമീൻ പൊള്ളി ചത്തു. Okay. കരിമീൻ പൊള്ളിയായി ചത്തു.
Say it again.
കരിമീൻ പൊള്ളിച്ചത്.
It sounds like I have a disease. Achal, look. Achal Kalama Munachara. It sounds like I have a disease. What does it mean?
കരിമീൻ. കരിമീൻ is a fish.
Look, it's a
open.
fish. It's like prawns, papplet, surmai. But here, Achal Karanda Munachara. It's like there is a feeling in it. Yeah,
It's more of like she's so sad.
yeah. Like it should be quick now. Kodambi, papplet, surmai.
Mobile.
Ha, what was it?
കരിമീൻ.
Say it full name.
That's a
Mean means
dish.
fish.
That
കരിമീൻ means fry.
This is also fish name. What's the name of the
കരിമീൻ.
fish?
കരിമീൻ.
And what was the dish?
That is a പൊള്ളിച്ചത്.
Do we know the
dish.
English
What
word
was
of
the-
കരിമീൻ?
What are you
What's
saying?
your favorite thing?
പൊള്ളിച്ചത്. പൊള്ളിച്ചത്.
What is that?
Palappam and,
പാലപ്പവും stew.
and the other one.
It's I think
ഇടിയപ്പം മുട്ട.
banana leaf का अंदर रख के
അല്ല,
they put it പൊള്ളിച്ചത്. കരിമീൻ പൊള്ളിച്ചത്.
okay. They put in.
The fish in inside the banana
garlic.
leaf with masalas and they will.
It's like you
Right.
had that day na kiri parota.
Ha.
Like same, but instead of parota, it's
Kiri parota.
I thought kiwi
and
parota.
this fish is very tasty and it has lot of bones. Like
That can get stuck in your.
And you know,
yeah, if you are not pro, maybe you will.
You will
no,
die.
it's not about pro. If you're not animal, you will take out the kata and you'll eat it. But if you are an animal, you will eat kata.
If you-
and he eat kata.
If you want to take out everything, you will have to spend at least 2-3 hours.
Again,
taking out
Arshi,
everything.
they're lazy. We know how to eat. He doesn't know. he'll
Yeah,
just take
Kerala
out.
people are on the go. Not like
They're always on the go.
Oh, on the go to where? Toddy shop.
Tourist
Tattera.
shop. Yeah, not
And the thing
Tattera.
about them, you take them everywhere, anywhere. They're like, Tattera is Tattera.
Yeah.
Tattera.
തട്ടുകട.
Look, again, it's Tattigada. It sounds
Tatti.
like that. No.
It's not like chapri, right? At
Tapri,
least
Yeah.
tapri.
chapri.
Tattera is every shop in Mumbai. You know the small shop roadside.
We're
That's
talking
what
about
we
the
call Tattera.
pronunciation.
That's what we call Tattera. Every shop in Mumbai is Tattera. We have another section Tattera, like fancy hotels we have. Every shop in Mumbai is our Tattera.
Mumbai has amazing restaurant. It's one of the best.
Okay, you have been to Kerala.
I
no?
think serving other countries' food, not the food here.
Yeah. Because no taste in the food here, local food.
You put too much masala, oil,
Aloo.
everything. Aloo,
Dal.
palak, green.
They are the people who will eat
Chawal.
chicken in 69 ways. They're the same people who will eat the same chicken in 69 ways.
हाँ.
एक में ज्यादा लाल बना देंगे, एक में हरा बना देंगे,
एक में मैगी
brown
मसाला
बना
चोट देंगे.
एक में मेयो डाल देंगे, एक में
मैगी
ketchup
मसाला
डाल
भाई
देंगे.
उसमें मैगी मसाला
That's what I
छोड़
said.
दिया था
We
इसमें
have
अंदर.
varieties. They एक ही चिकन को 69 वे
What is variety? Dal and choran. Rice and dal. tomorrow also.
At least we have
chapati and dal.
69 varieties. So दाल में तुमका क्या variety?
We don't drink the
बहुत
dal.
सारा variety
वही
होता है.
yellow color.
You guys eat yellow dal. That doesn't mean there
If
is
you
no
if you
variety.
go to a like Mumbai house, I think every day they will drink like payasam dal.
हाँ.
Dal is a staple food.
Yeah.
That's
Chicken
why I
is
say
also a
every day
staple
you
food
have
for us.
So dal is necessary because 90% households in Maharashtra are
Now let's talk
vegetarian.
about something else. Let's talk about something else. What is it?
She is hurt by
What
her
is the
emotion
drama
for
except
that.
me? Because Karan has the only drama is me, or else Karan has no drama. He's a very emotionless person, expressionless person. Look at him. Look at him. Now he's smiling, or else his face is like. Okay, guys,
because you guys are boring. That's it.
say something.
Yes.
Guys, tell me
Give me the
how
different
when you
no,
are
no, look at me. Give me different situations like Kanan,
No,
I need your help.
In
or
our
something like
podcast,
that.
have you ever seen us, sitting?
Like this.
Because you guys are boring. That's it.
We are boring.
now why are you dependent on us? Continue your thing, but in English.
Huh?
You guys
Maybe
can
we
talk.
are-
Continue talking.
Why we are comfortable in our mother tongue. We are not comfortable in any
Yeah, why
other.
would I talk to you in English?
Ah.
There are 4 people
Why
sitting in a podcast.
why would
I'm
we?
saying-
See, these guys are not considerate at all. South Indians very mean people.
No, I like special looks. I have a thing for
भाई यही हम लोगों की चीजें हैं ना ये लोग.
उधारे फायदा.
Yes. Disadvantages.
वरना मैं छोटू को पगार नहीं था. Who is
Oh, cut करो.
You don't tell me what to do.
No, that's not loose talk. Let's say
I am saying if like you guys are at your hometown Kerala में and what is the usual routine you guys do? Yeah,
Oh, I
what
know.
is
I
your
told you
regular
that
routine?
every morning wake
I
up,
know Kanals.
Malayalam Manorama chaya. You read newspaper, have chaya.
I know
Then what?
Kanals.
News. Everyone in
Unlock
Kerala
it.
watches news channel religiously. You can
What
see
news
every
channel?
dad, with this lungi, sitting in bed like this,
But I
watching
know
or in his
Kanals.
chair.
I know Kanals session. Kanal will get up, go freshen up. He'll come. He'll be on bed. He'll eat on bed. He'll just roll on bed. He can be on bed 24/7.
I mean, if I'm not doing anything, I want to chill.
And if he's at his room, he can't sit and do anything. He will lie down. Like, for sure. What are you doing?
बात करो.
And नहीं मतलब what do you guys how do you guys chill there with your friends? What are the usual things that you
We
do?
have in
Drinks.
Kottayam, I live in a place called Kottayam. You go east, west, south, north, everywhere there is a bar. You can't not drink in Kottayam because there are no like places where you can go not do like basically hang out. Very few places. So in the end, it's like let's go have a beer. That's the only thing we can do there. So everywhere you go in Kottayam, there is a bar. So usually we have a beer or something. Or otherwise, I think there's a stadium in Kottayam where we play. We used to play basketball when we were in school. Not now. And mostly in Kerala what happens is like everyone, things are really good at home. You like to stay at home. I mean for me, I prefer staying home. Like if I'm in Kerala.
But acha, if I ask you what is a typical boys trip of Kerala boys, how would you
If
describe
you're
it?
going to every drinking on the way, achar,
Achar.
Yeah.
disposable glass, coffee. This thing.
That's all. So what is the place like near? You're from Kottayam. So what is the nearest drive place that you like to visit?
Kottayam, there are a lot of like tea places which you could drive for 1 hour, 2 hours. It's really nice, like Kuttikaram, Vagaman, so maybe almost let's say 2 hours.
And what about you?
Same.
What is toddy and how is it so?
Toddy is like if you get the fresh toddy, like they took it from
But
the
it's too
tree.
cheap, right? Is it
No,
easier
it's
It's
available?
very hard to get good toddy.
It's not
It's a
cheap.
good toy. It's
Haan.
hard to get, but you get toy everywhere.
Because toddy there are like sharp toddy shop. where you can get
Sharp.
only
Either
Todi.
यहाँ पे भी है
I think
here
you guys also have this.
have
Todi
this
as
right
We have
Todi.
dance part.
We don't go that culturalist things.
well. We have
No,
maybe a
here-
small club in Kochi. We have
Kochi, we have clubs.
Dance. Do you guys dance?
Yes, we
We
dance.
dance. We don't need to go to the club. We'll
Yeah,
do this,
yes.
na? We'll dance.
Ah,
every
they will
day.
Dance,
have
we-
just 3 bottles of alcohol. They'll stand in
No.
middle of the
We
road
don't
with
listen
their
to
car
Bollywood
lights
and
they'll
we don't
dance
need the big speakers or anything. We can dance. With the phone, we can adjust. We put some Malayalam song instantly. We will have to dance because every like Mohanlal old song. You guys listen to our song like that. Every song you have to dance.
Yes.
Even Mohanlal is dancing, so we can't
Even.
because that songs
The
are
background music of the songs are like, come on, cheer up, right?
the music is like
What
so
song?
powerful.
What song?
Sub, you heard that day, na? In when we
Everything that includes Tenga.
The Monica.
Monica.
go.
is
Monica,
not-
no. In we danced a lot there, right? In Malayalam songs, you heard that day.
90% of them were connected with coconut water.
Only one song, ठीक है?
But honestly, I think I would like to visit some story shop.
Of course.
Yeah, I mean, it is
You get
just
really
for the
good
vibe.
food there.
I think you guys can plan trip together, right?
We have kappa, mingari, we have
Kanad's mouth is watering.
appam.
Yeah,
Palappam.
That's our what? It's വികാരത്തിന് എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? Emotion
You have
to
no
the
idea.
food.
If we go somewhere and we got the good place, like full proper Kalyani Kerala flavor is coming, we'll be like, food is too good, too good. Like that, he get what? My voice.
Because
We
it's very
have-
hard to find good food here.
We have that sense by seeing a food we can identify with
Yeah,
it.
they have sixth sense, they have Malayali sense, they have food sense. Every senses are given to you guys.
The whole reason is, these guys are born with a coconut in their hand. All that sense comes from the coconut water.
Actually, the name Kerala means coconut.
So land of the
Land of
trees.
coconut trees. God's own country.
God's own
Does
country.
Mumbai have any name like this? God's own country.
Yeah.
Land of coconut
Yeah.
trees. What?
Mumbai do have
Yeah, city of trees.
Cities
City
of
of
trees.
that name is actually
City of Chapri.
हिंदी में बोलते हैं माया नगरी.
Maya.
नहीं, अगर मुंबई की परिभाषा होनी चाहिए तो इट विल बी लाइक सपनों का
सपनों का
सपनों का शहर.
Huh.
Like I think Mumbai is a place that accept everyone.
Yeah.
Kerala is also a place
Actually,
like
no.
that.
No.
That's why it is named as
No,
God's
no,
own
no.
country. Right?
Kerala is very, cultured, like very, very. In Mumbai, do you do anything? You'll remove your t-shirt and sit now. People will say that this chutia and they'll go. But in Kerala, they'll be like, what happened there? What happened to you? Like that.
We are concerned.
That's not concern.
You literally come and poke in the face.
Yeah, they'll be pokey.
No.
Okay, if you talk about like regions differently, South India, North India, so South India where people will have their own cultures to follow. If somebody is going there and staying there, they will feel like an outsider. Okay.
Ah.
In North India, South Indians will feel like an outsider.
yeah.
But if you
in
come to Mumbai, it's like a place for all.
acceptance. Like
Nahi.
you can see so many Kerala.
No.
I don't think we will separate. But if there is a group of Malayalis, I think Malayalis will always.
But a group of Malayali will come at one place where they'll be like one place where everything can come together.
Yeah.
Mumbai.
One more.
I think it has accepted every part of the,
Everyone, yeah. Every
country.
their own culture, yes.
and there is not even one like a particular caste. Like if you go to Bangalore also, there are people who are like
Oh, controversy.
overly controversial about their languages, but not in Mumbai.
Ah.
In that
In
case,
Mumbai
Mumbai
also
is.
there is Marathi.
No,
That
you
is
should
that's
know.
just strictly political.
I think if you're coming to Mumbai, you should know two things: Mama and Kaka. Rest, everyone will take care of you.
Yes.
Mama and Kaka. That's
Mama means
Mama's brother,
I think in
Kaka.
Mumbai,
father's brother.
I think in Mumbai, everyone is busy with work. No one has time to give fuck.
Like-
No, yeah,
like
because
somebody-
because we give opportunities to people to come work here.
and one
We
more
give
thing
some-
because Mumbai cannot run without us. That's why.
Um,
It's
It's
not
not,
about.
you don't give opportunity, we take opportunity.
Yes.
but you have
At least we create an opportunity.
No,
Well said,
we
bro, well
take the
said.
opportunity. We find
Adu,
and take the
why
opportunity.
don't you take that opportunity staying in Kerala?
Monica, there is moon.
Illuminati.
Please come back to Makkah,
Because in
Monica.
Kerala, we
Because
will, if you,
we-
it's a place where we chill. We don't want to, work. And
Yes.
if you go to Kerala,
Actually,
it's
Kerala
like
is not
being-
a place for
if
work.
you're, if
Even
you're
when
being
I was
here
there,
in this
yeah,
place, do you feel like working? You want to chill, relax.
And
Kerala is like
all
this.
like,
Yeah.
obviously.
Kerala
Not
is
relax.
not a work. I think the atmosphere is not for work. It's for just
Chilling.
chill, peace.
Somebody
yeah.
told me if you want to learn Malayalam, just understand how do people in Kerala pronounce "a" in every sentence.
Ah.
Yeah, right. If you
I
know
think you say,
"a," if you know that, you know half of the language.
Because in Kottayam we say enna. In other parts of Kottayam
Enda.
we say enda.
എന്താ
Enna,
मतलब
Enda,
जो-
Appa,
हाँ.
Chacha. That.
Uh,
Anna, Jana.
Enna and the Papa Chacha.
from the south to north you travel na, there is a lot of
Dialects. will change.
dialects and slangs
Slangs.
words.
Like if you go to Thrissur, it's like, it's little funny.
हाँ.
I don't whenever I hear Trishul the
Gadi,
Kanta.
Gadi, Gadi.
Kanta मेरे दिमाग में
That
बजता है.
song starts playing in the
Whenever
background.
anyone says Trishul वो Kanta, it's just
See, it's a Malayalam song, fully Malayalam, still it's good.
Yeah.
And,
obviously it's
not
good.
like 1, 2, 3, 4 Desi boys.
बल्ले बल्ले
There are some good Hindi songs also you should listen to.
Some we have do lots of English.
Everything made by A.R. Rahman.
What did you say?
everything made by A.R. Rahman.
Arey, we are here
Who
to.
told you that?
Arey, but we are here to talk about something nice. ये क्या है? मैं इनको हरा दूंगी, रो देंगे ये लोग. जाना है अपने काम to.
If you have nothing to say or defend about thing, you can say you always
Yeah, I
say
think we too much for them.
yes.
Who told you that? So tell me about your singers now.
Tell me about.
Your songs and your singles. If you don't understand a language, how would somebody understand what song is trying to say?
No,
The most we
you just said Nakanda, and you are saying
Actually,
Illuminati.
actually-
Kerala rap is now going out.
Worldwide.
Yeah, Kerala rap. Hanuman kind
Worldwide.
Malayali. You know?
Look, he also started with
because they have to come to
But okay, anyway, it started with A, but it's gone worldwide, right? Okay, international.
Hanuman kind is now singing with the biggest rappers. Yeah, Malayali. His name is Suraj.
the Suraj थोड़ा अलग लगता है इसलिए he changed his name. He's typically right.
Actually, I think he is from US.
He lived in, I think, USA,
Yes,
but,
that's
but he is Malayali.
That's why we say Kerala people don't stay in Kerala.
That's why we take opportunity. We find and
That
take
is why you
opportunity.
have to go to other places to take opportunity and you crib about those places later.
I hate about them is one thing. They'll go everywhere and tell like, it's not like
Critics
Kerala.
are critics everywhere.
The food is not like
We
Kerala.
have, like, high
Bro, you are
standards.
not in Kerala. Obviously, the food
Obviously.
will not be like Kerala.
Yeah.
Acceptance, you don't have that.
It's not
Because
about
we
the
have high
thing.
standards. We expect.
We have a class.
Yeah.
That I could say.
That class will only work in Kerala.
Because
okay.
in our home, our moms make really good food. They
So
give
you
it
are
to
saying
us.
That is
controversy,
not-
guys, controversy. So now you are saying not everyone moms make good.
No, I'm
Our
saying that we are so.
No, what I'm saying is you Malayalis, you
Because
go
you said na,
everywhere
Mumbai
and
is
they
on
will
the
be like,
go. You
"I
don't have
can't-
time to make.
it's not good. It's not. Arey bro, it's not Kerala. How will you compare the same food with them? Accept it. Wow, the nature is giving blessing.
Yes.
It's me. I'm the drum.
I think the crow will,
That's all you.
Oh my god.
That's the drawback of this Chotu. He don't understand.
because you said Mumbai is on the go, so you will make something like vada pav finish. But
Mumbai is a vibe.
I'm saying in our home, our moms are making chor, rice, and lot of curry. So we are exposed to like really food that takes a lot of time to prepare. That so
Every household has different.
I think
food
now
that
Kanal
takes
will
a
end
lot
up
of
with
time.
recipe only.
No, no.
Mean
If,
curry.
one more thing, one more thing that I can say about Kerala moms are like, if they have work also, they will make lot of food in the morning, and they will pack it. मतलब वो
Food, yes.
हाँ.
Because
Food
you
is
guys are
everything.
like that.
No, they want to cook. They will. If they are working, they want to eat only the घर का खाना. They will cook, make everything. मतलब it will be not like the normal day, but they will make at least some 2-3 sides, and they cook for us. Breakfast, lunch, दोनों cook करेंगे एक ही साथ.
अनु छोटू खाना नहीं चाहिए लंच में और
Look,
कृष्णा को
my
नहीं
Chotu also have a Chotu. That's the designation.
We delegate responsibilities.
Yeah. My Chotus also have Chotus.
I think his real name is Chotu.
हाँ.
That guy will ask him like, "Sir, आप आए क्यों नहीं? आए तो गए कहाँ?
नहीं, he'll be like, Krishna आ गया. हो आप.
आइए
छोड़ दिया.
आपका इंतजार था.
No, he'll do that. आइए.
आपका इंतजार
It's a meme. It's a not meme. No. He'll see Kanal. He'll be like, okay भैया. Krishna, हो आप.
वो टिफिन लेके आरती उठा देगा साजन जी घर आए. See, the North Indian people are so sweet, so considerate about you guys, and
It's his job.
It's not because of how they consider it, it's because of how we consider them. That's why we are getting it back.
अच्छा ठीक है.
It's
For the longest, we have been talking about Kerala.
Look. It's all end them. Can you just see the since
That's
the
what I'm saying, na? For the past 1.5 hours, we've been talking about Kerala.
No.
Now let me know what are your understanding of North India.
I
Mumbai.
think the saddest thing about Mumbai is
Chotu.
guys are ultimate rich and there are very poor people living in
Because that's
road.
because this area in Mumbai there's 7 crore people stay. 7 crore. It's more double than the Canada's population.
Yeah.
Chotu, no, shut up. Chotu,
No, that's what I'm saying. You have this much people, the gap. People are ultimate. They are driving in Maybach, real Porsche. They
Actually-
don't even have a tent to stay.
Actually, I think that is a story with every
yeah,
metropolitan city.
and the thing is, exactly, people everywhere because I think in India where you think that I can't work or I can't find anything anywhere,
Yeah.
you can come to Mumbai.
It's too expensive.
But there is a one thing about Mumbai that everyone say you can't go empty stomach. Like you can't sleep empty stomach.
That's right.
Someone will give you food. I'm not
That
saying
is enough.
it's very possible in every cities as well. But here
Yeah.
you will earn your money and you can get anything.
What I've seen in Mumbai is like there are people who who work to take packets of food. give
What
it
do
to
you think
dogs.
about
Ah.
Mumbai girls and Kerala girls? I want to hear.
Yes, yes.
We cannot compare that
I think there is.
We want an
because
insight.
we are not able to compare that Kerala.
No.
Kerala girls to Mumbai with Mumbai girls.
No. What is the like? What do you have thought about Mumbai girls?
Ah,
like
you,
this?
because you
And
asked
then
us
you met
about
Mumbai
the
girls.
Malayali boys and North
No,
Indian boys.
yeah.
What I thought was Mumbai girls are really fancy. Like they want a lot of money.
Yeah.
And now,
Now we used to know that they don't even have brain. Money ka baat dur hai.
Ah, so what is with the Kerala
I
girls?
think it's very hard to
Kerala girls are good.
if you have a proper like Mumbai
How
girl.
good? We want to know in
I think
details.
it's very hard to
Matlab?
maintain with
okay.
it. You need
Hey,
money.
no. I'll ask question. You just have to
okay.
say
Okay.
this or that.
Okay.
Pretty. You know? Okay, sweet girl, innocent, sweet, pretty, normal, nice girl. More in Kerala or Mumbai?
It's more in Kerala.
Okay, beauty with brains. Kerala or Mumbai?
Depends.
No.
We
this
have
and
to
that.
give an answer.
Kerala.
So diplomatic.
I think in Mumbai girls are like I want to do this.
You
They are
guys have
more
some
focused.
audacity.
No,
I think
he
so.
said
We
Kerala.
both are from. That's what I said.
He said
you guys have
Kerala,
some
okay.
audacity. I am from Mumbai. You guys are in Mumbai. And you're saying I'm not beauty with brains. Kata, I want this money back. I want my money
Okay,
back.
continue.
Okay.
I'm liking the session.
Okay, yeah, me too. Okay. Who is like greedy money, gold digger? Kerala girls are Mumbai
No,
girls.
that's
Mumbai,
depend.
Mumbai.
Mumbai में ज़्यादा
Mumbai.
रहता है.
Mumbai.
Yes.
Mumbai.
We are not talking about you guys.
Because I think if you want
Okay,
to,
do you think a Kerala girl will be okay with 50-50 or a Mumbai girl will be okay with 50-50?
Kerala girl.
Kerala girl, I think.
Yeah.
But I
I
think
think this is
more
one
people
side
are
podcast.
working in Mumbai.
It's not Kerala, Mumbai, it's only Kerala, Kerala.
I think any,
I didn't find, I
No, no,
asked
no.
5
I think-
questions, it's only Kerala,
I
Kerala.
think any girl won't be okay with,
Ha.
they need the guy with money. Otherwise,
No, it's because girls like, girls don't like to use their brains when they are with men.
I don't think everyone is like that.
Yeah.
There are, like dominating women.
In terms of independence,
A girl can be only dominating if she's with a guy who's less masculine.
Kya?
A girl will only be dominating when she's with a guy who's less masculine.
Yeah, I don't
अब
think.
बोला हाँ, बोला
I don't think two dominating people they can't, because one they will have
Actually,
problems.
इसके
Hey, I was saying no, this and that.
It's okay.
You can find alcohol in Kerala or Mumbai any day.
I think alcohol will be in our hand all day.
All
any
day, all time.
In
Yes.
our back pocket,
Now
we'll
you're,
find it.
Kerala.
now you're losing your one characteristic or logic.
Kerala.
Mumbai you can find alcohol any day, any time.
No.
That's Navi Mumbai, bro. This is Mumbai.
It's Maharashtra, right?
No, I'm not talking about Kotan. I'm talking about the whole Kerala.
It's all Maharashtra. Kerala is not a city.
Kerala, what happens is like if you go to a bar, like there will be a security guard. You pay him extra, he will give you
My
beer or
bad.
something. And there will be the retired army guys.
Ha.
They will have quota. Then they will also give, but it's illegal. But yeah,
I
everyone
think,
Yeah.
I think, sorry, at starting I said, let's do this and that, but ending is like, this is Kerala, and they're giving justification. So it's not this and that. It's about question, Mumbai and Kerala. It's Kerala, and then they're giving Kerala.
okay,
We are
guys,
convinced.
I have one question.
And then we're ending this podcast.
The question is like, what according to you Malayali guys is a beauty?
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
End with
How do
this.
you see that if some girl is beautiful?
No.
What do you
don't
actually
go,
have a feeling
Don't
on
go
that?
deep. Let's. What is beautiful according to you?
I
Sit here,
think
sit here.
obviously
Sit
it's
close to me.
personality. For maybe 1 day, 2 day, you can go ahead with looks.
Two
But
things
end of
are
the day,
there.
It's personality.
Okay, individual. Okay, one.
Okay.
One.
One concerning about the personality side, it should be emotionally or that trust, loyal. That
That's
thing
all.
should be there.
Okay, and you.
One more thing,
Acha.
and I have two things. And if you are we are talking about the physical
we started
side.
when we started with this. Malayali, na. That's what Malayali guys started with this. Can you see? He would have said this now.
Let me
Yeah,
go. So
Here is the drama, bitch. Here we start looking.
Continue.
No. We start looking from here. Continue.
shall
it again.
shall I go deep?
No,
Yes.
No. Yeah.
It's a family-oriented podcast. Everyone can watch.
Yes. Please send this to your fathers also.
And for matlab physical, it should be like beautiful face, broad eyes.
Now face diplomatic.
तू उसको बोलने दे ना
He's
भाई.
saying face.
हाँ,
Face.
face.
hair, eyes.
Beautiful face, broad eyes, big eyes, and that kajal,
हाँ
bindi.
बस ये बहुत हो गया अभी. छोट.
No makeups, okay.
Okay, छोटू.
I think I should hang out like she shouldn't. I should
What
not
is
get
beauty?
bored.
Beauty according to you?
हाँ.
Not getting bored. That's the thing you want. छोटू never understand. छोटू need clarification. छोटू.
What is beautiful according to you?
Like
Okay.
only based on
Let
appearance.
me.
only based
now
on
let
appearance.
me give you him. Let me give him a question. He'll answer quickly. Kanal, name 5 brand of beer.
I think which are all
There, look.
I'm
Can you
still
see that?
losing.
Can you see that?
Tell me.
Kanal is a
You both
beer
can.
boy.
Arey, he's not a beer boy. He's a beer person. If there is a brand ambassador, you want to portray Kanal.
I think I can picture Kanal like down the line 10 years sitting in his own brewery with a cafe beside sipping
Yeah,
a
that
beer.
is my
Like,
dream.
we
Make
can
my
do
own
that.
beer.
You
Have
open
my
a
own
this, we
beer.
can do it in 10 hours. You just tell him. He's like, okay, JK, love you, brother. Bye. Yeah, I love you, come. Yeah, I love you. Okay, Achal, let's do it. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Look at the smile. He never smiled this much. Beer?
Beer, oh my God.
Beer? Look.
Beer, get
Say
color,
five-
smiling.
Say 5 more times where he'll get red.
Color beer.
Oh, look. He's dreaming.
Look at his eyes. His sparkle.
Yeah, I honestly get happy when I think about this.
I can see that. Everybody
I'm
is
telling you now.
can see that.
Say more 5 times he'll get beer now. I'm telling you.
I think basically we should have started the podcast with a beer.
Yeah, that our
I'm not a
podcast
beer
name is My
person,
Dear
guys. I'm
Friend.
not a
What do you
beer
think?
person.
You are a hot person, right?
I like whiskey. I think
We changed, diverted the topic.
Chotu didn't understand. Chotu, come back.
Oh, I don't. Allah, ഇത് recording ആണ്.
Chotu, what is beauty according to you?
Only appearance. Only
Not
appearance.
beer, not beer.
It can be anything, anywhere.
Why does it have
What
to
is
go
the
like
meaning of this anything, anywhere?
That's your lookout. Use your brain.
I think this really nice smile.
Smile is also a good. बाकी जो
वो smile पता क्यों
General,
आया?
whatever general is there.
You know why it's
everything I
smile
say,
means to smile?
that's every
that
Mallu
is
guys.
general.
Mallu guys look out for a girl because we have seen
Okay, now we ask you a question. I think you can also ask a question. It's okay. Now then we end this because I have a meeting.
that. With Chotu.
Sunday, on
So I want to do
Sunday.
your payments. 2 rupees per now.
1.5.
पर ना इसका काटना पड़ेगा लगेज नहीं उठाया इसका कृष्णा हाँ ask
Ask questions. So,
Or you don't want to
okay,
ask.
what are your मतलब जो तुमने मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछा है ना girls, the same question to you boys.
look you can't go out of the box can't you?
Rare
You always
thing.
need us it's okay I understand Achal
Krishna
you
is like,
go. हाँ Achal you go first
okay, if I talk about boys in general.
no,
North Indians.
what you like in a guy or what you want in a guy
Coming from North India, मतलब पहले से initially I had this mentality that guys should be more reserved. They should have their own.
In what way?
Reserved in the sense like dominating kind of a thing. Alpha.
You mean like Arjun Reddy type?
no that's not alpha.
Nobody wants a psychopath.
Yeah. So you know what it is.
So I was talking like females usually they look for a guy who are
Achu.
dominating in nature,
Achal.
not dominating in the sense
You
masculine.
want to be submissive to someone, like
Masculine.
No, you should have that alpha energy that convinces us to be the feminine one. Or else girls can be dominating.
No.
We will give you one chance now.
Do you know Andrew Tate? Like-
बोला छोटू बोला अपने मालिक के लिए
Let her talk. Shut up.
अपने मालिक के लिए छोटू बोला वेरी गुड छोटू इसको 1 रुपए ज्यादा दूंगी बढ़िया बोनस
Yeah. Tell,
Okay,
tell.
coming back to the answer, I think fuck off, bro.
that's how you
So I don't want to put it in my mouth. Why are you putting it in my mouth? So if we talk about boys, I think girls, मेरे हिसाब से तो I will look for a guy who is a bit masculine, not only body wise, nature wise. Somebody to not lead the way but stand there holding strong. Understanding that is the beauty of a man for me. Just being there, existing
I
and
think we
supporting.
were talking about appearance and all.
appearance-
Appearance.
appearance if I talk about
that thing, you
appearance.
said not this.
Appearance. Okay, appearance. I'll talk about appearance. Then I would like, obviously, a tall guy.
you yourself is good at
Yeah. So I would want a tall guy with some good muscles, good bulky body, probably.
और zoom कीजिए इस पे कैमरा
And appearance wise, just I think probably some shirt or yeah, just a normal formal dress or a
Even
casual
at home,
t-shirt.
formal dress.
Formals are always best on
not-
guys, okay? A guy wearing a
But it's
black
not
shirt.
comfortable. Who will wear?
No,
Just
bro,
wait,
nothing with
okay?
that
You
lungi.
guys, I do not even want to get inside your lungi, but I do not want to talk about it now. Guys wearing
ये कट होगा.
अरे तुम बीच में कट कर रहे हैं इसका.
a guy wearing a black shirt, just a black shirt, and his sleeves are rolled up. That is all a girl needs. Dead, done and dusted. Black shirt, that is all. So you see, हमारे लिए वो beauty तो नहीं कह सकते, handsome वाला part with comes like tall, dark and handsome. That is very very necessary for me.
मैं मेरा.
हाँ, now it's
तुम सबके टर्न के बीच में से अपनी नाक घुसाती रहती हो.
अरे इनको आता ही नहीं बोलना, मैं क्या करूँ?
तू बोलने दोगी तब बोलेगी.
सॉरी फॉर माई वॉइस, मेरा गला बैठ गया.
choked हो गया.
चुप.
Adult.
Strictly 18 plus guys.
I think for me is beauty very simple, tall, dark. Good voice is very, very much important for me. Yeah, that's the beauty for me. Tall, dark, handsome, good voice, and yeah, broad. I want to look tiny.
You want Prabhas?
I want black. I love. He's very hot. He is my type.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
तो उसको ही शादी कर लो.
हाँ, ये नोता भेज रहा है प्रभास. हाँ, छोटू कैमरामैन को देखो, ये आ रहा है. इसको
We be liking you and
या
Prabhas.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Malayali guys, on behalf of us,
No, छोटू
our
will go.
butlers,
No.
You will go for this one.
Adult.
strictly adult talk
Dirty
guys.
talk. I'm not telling.
Earphones on, earphones on.
Yeah. There threesome का एक लड़का missing है, सिद्धार्थ. ये तीनों है हम. We are not.
They're missing their eggs.
Yeah. Eggs. अरे रे.
Okay. Then we can.
Yeah, done. Thank you guys. Thanks for having me. I'm the drama.